Gurus are baffled. This 3-click system keeps beating theirs. They've got funnels, teams, ads, but we just click 3 times and walk away with a digital asset that pays us $1,047.22 over and over. While they're still refreshing dashboards and tweaking automations, we're quietly stacking payouts. How? We're not building funnels, we're not running offers, and we're not selling a thing. Just by owning simple digital assets on the blockchain. Each one takes around 7 minutes to create and launch, and each one has the potential to generate real income without doing the work. This is exactly what the smart ones are doing right now. They're not posting, they're not hustling, they're launching assets. And with the right tools, you can too. The people making consistent money online, they're not grinding harder, they're deploying smarter. Launch a digital asset, own the system, and let it work for you. With CoinSprint, you'll launch your own income-generating digital asset in under 7 minutes. And you can repeat that as often as you want. Funnels require traffic. Freelancing drains your time. Courses sit unfinished. CoinSprint, it gets you up and running fast. No setup, no building, no sales process, just 3 clicks and your asset is live on the chain. You don't need to pitch and you don't need to post. You just need a shortcut to ownership. And to make sure that you win, you also get the quick start guide, the income generator, the easy money playbook, and everything else you'll need to launch, grow, and repeat. For just $17.97, you're not buying another shiny object. You're building a real asset, one that you control, and one that pays you, not someone else. We built CoinSprint for people that have tried everything and are ready to own something that actually works. You don't need experience, you just need a method that delivers. Let's stop guessing, let's stop grinding, and let's start owning. Click below now to grab CoinSprint and launch your very first income-producing digital asset in the next 7 minutes. You don't need to be a coder, you don't need a following. You just need a system that works, and that's exactly what CoinSprint delivers. This is the future of online income, and it starts with ownership.